Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Google account that holds your backups because Restore is tied to that account. Once done, make sure your phone is charged and on stable Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Open Google Photos, tap your profile, and go to Photos settings. This is where Restore controls live. You're initiating the process now. Select Backup and Sync to verify backups exist, then proceed to the next step to retrieve items from cloud storage. Now you'll retrieve the images. In Google Photos, navigate to Library, then Trash to recover recently deleted items, or to Albums and Devices folders for backed up content. Choose Restore or Download for selected photos. Restoring preserves original albums and metadata. If items are missing, use Search with dates or device names to locate them. Make sure to watch the transfer indicator and free space alerts so the restore doesn't fail midway. If needed, you finish by confirming restored photos show in both Google Photos and your device gallery. This ensures thumbnails and full files are accessible. Once verified, re-enable Backup and Sync so new photos are protected automatically. If something goes wrong, first sign out and back into your Google account, then reboot the phone and retry. Unstable Wi-Fi, full storage, or wrong account are the most common causes. If needed, run the restore in smaller batches to reduce errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.